Hello and welcome to my first video. I'm going to be sort of trying to demystify programming. Programming is a kind of black magic known only by a select few who are among the upper rungs of the most brilliant people, or at least that's what a lot of people think it is. Programming is a superpower, however it is a superpower that everyone can learn. You can download the tools for free and you can start coding at any time. Programming sounds like an overly complicated and difficult skill to learn, however with a few explanations of the basic concepts, programming will become sort of second nature really. First of all, just a sort of explanation of what exactly is a program. A program is a set of instructions given to the computer via some programming language. Now there are many different programming languages, however we do not have to worry about all the languages just yet. We're going to be going and using JavaScript as a sort of introductory language, just because it's easy to pick up and you can do this on pretty much anything at this point. If you can write text, you can do HTML and JavaScript. Now as an example of a sort of pseudo program, making coffee, how would you go about that? Well, first of all, you need to sort of initialize the program with however you want to do that. You put the water in the kettle, you put on the kettle, you get the cup ready, you put the coffee in, you put the sugar in, then you wait for the water to boil. If the water is boiled, then you can add the water, and then you can add the milk, and huzzah, you have just created a cup of coffee. That is essentially a program. It is a human program to create a cup of coffee. Now, to create an example of how in JavaScript you can create a program, we're going to make something very simple. First of all, I will be coding in VS Code, which is just this section right here, and using Edge over here just to output in this window some text, just so we can see exactly how our program works. So in this case, because of how JavaScript works, there's no real start to this. It will essentially just, as I'm writing things here, it will update on the other side. So what can we make JavaScript do? The first thing that anybody ever does is using the hello world. So we will go console.log hello world, and there we go. That's it. If we go back to our browser, you will see it now says hello world, and that is pretty much a program. That's all it is. We will in further videos go further in depth into creating more complex things, but I wanted to start with just explaining exactly what a program is. Thank you for watching.